Hi everybody, thank you for coming to my channel. This is Wendy, and I just wanted to show you a quick way that I do a flip out. Um, I'm finishing up this car journal before I do a flip through, and I wanted to show you another way that I do a flip out, because I know some of you seen I've done flip outs with my glue and my washi tape, where I just lay washi tape down and, glue it down to do flips. Other times I use a inch, a half inch to 1 inch strip. And, do I have a strip? Do I have a strip? Well, okay, so pretend this is a strip. You fold it in half to make the hinge. So I've done that way as well. This is another different way that I'm doing it. So I have this little sheet of paper here. And this was insert mailers, the inserts of the magazine. And I've been using them up. And I thought I wanted a flip here, but I didn't want to add on a lot of the washi tape and stuff because I wanted to cut. It's going to be covered anyway. So this is what I had. Okay. So I laid it down. Okay. And I have this excess here. Let me put my glue sheet down so you guys can see it better. All right. So I put enough excess paper here. So this is how I want it to be. Okay, so the paper that I want to cover, which I've already glued it on, I measure it out so it covers from the piece that I want flipped out all the way to the edge of the actual paper. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right, because I'm gonna glue it down just like this, and then the fold. Well, after I put the fold in. And you can do this two ways. You can fold it so you don't have a raw edge. And, well, let's do it. I just do a little. All right, so you can fold it so you don't have a raw edge. All right, but this, it doesn't bother me none. So I just want to show you the option. Okay, so glue this down. And then all we're going to do is glue this strip down. Oh, let me cut it down to size. Sorry, you guys. I'm still, this journal has given me headaches on headaches upon headaches. All right, so all I'm doing is this extra piece. All right. That's all I did. I glued that extra piece, and I'm going to line it up and glue it down and make sure when you fold it open, it's even peasy. All right. Okay. I got glue everywhere. Where's my... Oops. I was trying to make this into a quick video, but you know how it goes. All right. So you have this. So then after you put your crease in and fold it open, then you have another sheet of paper, which I'm using the same one because this I'm going to decorate. So you measure it out to the size you want. Maybe you just want to do, let's just, do it how I wanted, how I'm going to do it anyway. So let me snip the length that I need. All right. Boy. And I'm cutting, and I'm cutting, and I'm cutting, and I'm cutting, and I'm cutting. Hopefully it's straight. All right, so next phase, I'm just going to use my trusty glue stick because it's faster. And I wanted to show you. Alright, so we want to line it up to the corner. Press it into that crease. Alright, and then there we go. Now you have a fun flip out. Mine is all matchy because it's going with what I'm doing right now. So that is, wait, and then if you want, I'm going to flip this over because I think this side should have one too. So if you guys want to watch me do this one as well. So what I do is you get a piece of paper that you want, which is going to be there. So I'm going to bring it over. So now I need to get a piece of paper that I want to use to cover. And I've been pulling from my little travel one. So I had another one I wanted to use, but it was a green. Well, I could do the orange. Let me do the orange, folks. Anyhow, so I've been working on this. Whoops, I hit the camera. I've been working on this crazy. I don't even know. This crazy car-themed journal. And oh my gosh, it's just been giving me one headache after another. And I had to redo the cover, and it's been a crazy mess. And of course, I've lost. You guys see my ruler? Oh, well, let me clean off my cutter, because my cutter tends to be covered all the time. Alright, let's see how. Where did I cut? Is this? Yep, okay. So now what I'll do is, oh, there's my, I found my ruler. I swear, guys, it's definitely a Monday. Definitely a Monday. Anyway, the car thing was giving me some fits, some major fits. So, but I'm getting it done. Sometimes I get stubborn about something and I'm determined to finish it. All right, let me cut that off. All right, so all we have to do here is glue that piece on. Alrighty, and then we fold, put that crease in, and then watch me not have enough width on this one. That's gonna really take me off. Oh, well, you know what? There is enough that'll leave oh well, we're just gonna do it. We're just going to do it as is, because I don't want to waste another piece of paper. All right. Now, oh, well, apparently I'm down to the end of my glue stick. All right. Make sure it's right side up. Make sure it's relatively even. All right. And then make sure you press that crease you made so it sticks. All right, so let's fold this one. And of course, since I need to trim that off. That's too much white. Which is fine because it's just something I added. Okay, well, I'll have to straighten it up, but I'm rushing because I was trying to make a shorter video today. All right, so now we have this flap. And okay, let me move this. My glue page. All right, so we have this flip out. Okay. And we have this flip out. Alrighty. So now I'll either put a little pocket, which I can use. Man, sometimes you just can't tell. Right side up. Right side up. So I'll probably put a nice little pocket in here. Let me round the corners. Gotta round the corners. I'll keep the bottom straight. And I'll put in a all right, so there'll be a pocket there, and I'll probably put some writing paper here. So, and adds a little decoration. All right, so that is my take on another way to do a flip out. Hope you like it. Hope it wasn't too confusing. I just did this on the spur of the moment as I was doing this, thinking, hey, I'll share how I do it. And you know, you guys can take it or leave it. You don't have to try it. But I just thought it was better than the hinges. The hinges, I think, add a little bit more bulk. And washi tape, I don't always want to use washi tape to show, you know. So this way I get the paper I want to showcase or as a background. And the base is scraps that I'm using up, you know. So, and it's relatively, there's not bulk there. So it's flat. Flat as a pancake. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by. I will talk to you soon. Seriously, I'm going to have this flip through done hopefully by tomorrow morning. because I'm behind as always. So like, subscribe, share, tell me what you think, what you're doing, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.